What's up, pushers? Day 4 of your week 5 training to become a diamond. Guys, this is Hector Lopez coming to you live from my computer to bring to you Picmonkey.com. What is Picmonkey.com? Picmonkey.com is going to make your pictures look professional without having to pay the price. It is free. It is very easy to use if you take the time to use it. Um, let's get right to it. I'm gonna keep it very easy, simple, so you guys can get it, use it, and start implementing it into your business, into your pictures. Moving on. Over here, you got options of square. Honestly, all you guys need is 2 pictures: square and Facebook cover. Square obviously fits in the default picture of your Facebook, and it also fits in your IG. The Facebook cover is obviously the background part of your Facebook cover. So let's go right into Square. I set up the box, the picture, so you can see every image here. This side right here is everything you're gonna need. Moving on. Um, Let's start here where it says canvas color. You could obviously set a background color if you like, whatever you desire. It's really truly up to you, whatever you want to do. I want to show you guys something pretty cool. It's called transparent canvas. Let's click on that. What is transparent canvas? Pretty much what that is, that you can make any image that you desire, and you can add it to any background you like, because what you're going to do now is you're going to crop it. You're going to make it, you're going to edge it out. You're going to make it so perfect that you can use it as a picture to add to, you can do this for yourself. You can do this for your coaches. You can do this for whoever it is that you want to add to a background to make it look good. So let's go to the images. If you want to add a picture to this, you simply click on the butterfly here, which is overlay. Once you click on it, you have an option of here to just select pictures of what they give you here. You have a bunch of options, you know, shapes, hearts, I mean, etc. It's just a bunch of things that you guys can add. Maybe bubbles for your quotes or something like that. But in this case, I'm going to add my own picture. Yesterday I worked on 2 pictures. Let me use the easier one so you guys can see. I'm going to use Yanisa, all right? Let's just say this picture right here, okay? I want to make this picture a picture that I can use multiple times. As you can see, the background is not that hard to use, to get rid of, but there is a background. You don't want the background, you just want her, correct? So then you click here, eraser. Enhance the eraser to make it as big as however you want. I usually pick the big one to start, just to limit the amount of time I spend on this. So here it is. Now I'm getting rid of the background, okay? Like if you let's say you make a mistake and you get rid of her head, click on this little brush here and you get it right back. So very easy. Just the brush is to get stuff back. Eraser is to take stuff out. So let me just work on this real quick. Trying to make it as really simple, stupid as possible. Let's go down the trick here. Obviously, I've been doing this for a while, so it looks pretty easy from my part. I actually love, love, love Picmonkey. And when I get into it, I do like multiple pictures just to entertain myself because it's a lot of fun. Because, you know, it's your creation. Now, let's just say this is a perfection. I did all the edges. Everything is done. Right now, what you're doing when it's a transparent background, you're going to save it. Once you save it, that's how it's going to be saved right there. So whenever you want to reuse this picture, you can simply just save it into a file and say, okay, you know what? Today I'm going to use her picture on this background for recognition on a future recognition. Over here, make sure it always says PNG, because the PNG file is going to actually be what saves it without a background. And then you add a file name. You can put her name on there, whatever, and save to your computer. You can save to the options. I highly suggest you create a new folder just so you don't have to. I don't need a new folder. Let me just delete that. You can add it to just the folders, just so you can have something to go back to. So now that you know how to do that, that's very, very simple. I'm gonna run right through this so you guys can get a lot out of this. Let's go back to Canvas. Let's take the transparency out. Let's make it black. Very neutral color for everything. I want to apply it now. Let's say I want to add a background to this. There's a bunch of backgrounds that they have here that you can use. Like, let me see. Actually, if you want to add a background, you can have a color. So let's just leave it white. Let's go back to here. Back here. You're going to click on this little box right here for background stuff. Let's say you want to add a space. Boom. There's a space. You want to add stars, whatever you want. If you don't want that, let's say you want this one. You can add so many things. You can enhance it. You can lighten it up, whatever you want. Play around with it. Make it your own. Whatever you desire. You want to add a brick wall? Add a brick wall. Whatever you want. Again, this is your choice. This is your picture. You do whatever you like with it. I suggest make your own. Google any background you desire. Once you Google a background, let's say I want to put this diamond here. Boom. I got the diamond there, right? Let's say that you don't like where it's located right now. You want to move it around. Just click on move and move it around. It's up to you. This is your picture. You make it the way you want to make it. You want it upside down. You want to make it sideways, whatever you want. You pick it however you want. Up and down, boom, boom, whatever. Now, before I apply it, if you look, there's a little discoloration. So what I do is I click on fade. Fade it out. Now look how enhanced it looks. Now it looks beautiful. Now I'm excited because now I'm going to my next thing is, let's say I want to add a picture to this. Again, there's a bunch of options of things that you can add. Moving on, moving forward. There's so many options in that butterfly section that I don't want any of those. I want to add my own because, again, I am creating my own picture. So as you can see, let's use Stephanie right now. So I got Stephanie here. Let's say I want to leave this picture just the way it is. I'm going to find a place to put it, right? So I'll add it anywhere I want in the area that I desire. Now, let's just say I don't like the background here. You can do it here as well. Erase it. Erase the background. Look at this. Look how easy that is, guys. You erase it, make it really cool, and then, do whatever you desire. I'm just going fast here so I can just make sure I get a lot of things in here. I just don't like to cover her face. Let me just fix that real quick. Sorry, Steph. All right. There you go. Okay, so now you got a picture of her there, right? Now, let's say you want to make her bigger. But she's looking at that side, so let's put her on this side. So I just made her real big right now. So now she's here. You can make it as big and as small as possible. It's all up to you. It's your picture, your design, your image. So now let's get to, now that you know that this is the background, this is where you add pictures. Click on your own. And now let's add a text to it. So let's just say I want to put, obviously, congratulations or anything you want to put. Boom. Okay. Let me go backspace. I hate when that happens. Okay. So now it didn't come out the way I wanted it. So now I extend it. Okay. Now that I extend it, you have a choice to make this however you want, whatever color you desire by clicking on here. Let's just say you want a specific color on a picture that's on here, right? Let's say her dress is black, right? Let's say you double click on this little box right here. or one click, sorry. And then you take that pen and highlight her dress, or maybe highlight her face. And look at the colors. It picks the colors that you want. And let's say I think this one right here is white, right? Or a different color. So you get to pick and choose whatever you want by just using this little pen. It's just pretty cool. If you have a color in mind, let's say you want to keep it white, let's keep it white. I highly suggest, guys, that you center the name. So right now it's to the left. If you look at it to the left, that's to the right, that's to the left, but you want it centered. So you put it to the center. You extend to the edges of the picture, and now you have a center. So you don't need a ruler, or you don't need to, like, gesture in the eyes on how big it is, how small, whatever. If you want to take up the whole top, then you do that. But if you want to just keep it small, you do this, and then you just stretch it out in the corners. Now, let's say you want to change the font. There's a bunch of great fonts on here that you can use that best fits whatever it is that you're trying to describe. I love Luckiest Guy. I love Francois One. Those are stuff that I love to have. Now, this is pretty easy, guys. Again, you can do that with a bunch of different text. You can add as much text as you like, as much as you desire. If you have a logo that you want to add to your pictures, then go to your pictures and find it. Like I have the Team Faith one, which is right here. Once I add it on here, boom, it's a ping already. So I can add it to anything I want. What I'm trying to say, guys, is that this thing has so many options for you to work with, so many things that you can add. I'm also going to be adding another video on here so they can give you another detail on a different angle, so you can have more detail of what Picmonkey can do for you, your business, and your pictures. I truly hope this helps. If you have any questions, comment below. We're going to do our best to help you, and keep up the amazing work. For all of you that have reached Diamond to now, congratulations. Keep it up. Good luck. And I hope the push helped you reach your goals. Have faith, not fear. Peace.